class 7th class, subject maths. First lesson is integer. In integer we have to see about integers. Their properties. In integer there is an absolute value, comparison of integer. We have to how the integers write in a number line, and now we have to see the successor and predecessor of the integer. Successor means adding 1. 1 add in any integer. First example we have to see, that is successor of -3. What you have to do? In -3 we had add 1, then we get the -3 plus 1, that is -2. -2 is the successor of -3. One example also we have to take. 12 successor of 12. What you have to do? 12 plus 1, that is 13. 13 is the successor of 12. One example also you have to take. Successor of 0. So we add 0 plus 1, that is 1. Successor of 0 is 1. Then what is the meaning of successor? Successor means adding 1 in any integer. Adding 1 in any integer, we get the successor of that integer. We have to understand it. Now we have to go for a predecessor. Predecessors means subtract 1 from any integer. Subtract 1 from any integer. We have to do one example of it. Predecessor of -7. -7. We have to want predecessor. So what you have to do? We have to subtract 1. That is -7 minus 1. That is -8. -8 is the predecessor of -7. Second example. Predecessor of 9. What you have to do? 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. 8 is a predecessor of 9. And in one example also we have to take predecessor of 0. Predecessor of 0. 0 minus 1 is equals to -1. -1 is a predecessor of 0. In this way, you have to find out the successor and predecessor of a given integer. If you want to say, find out the successor for 3 successors of, find 3 successor of -4. Then what you have to do? First successor. First, what is it? -4 plus 1, that is -3. Second successor, -3 plus 1 is equals to -2. Third successor, -2 plus 1 is equals to -1. Then we have to say that -1, -2, -3 are the 3 successors of -4. Like that we have to find out the predecessors of, find predecessor of -11. Then what you have to do? First predecessor. First predecessor is minus 11 minus 1, that is minus 12. Second predecessor is minus 12 minus 1 is equals to minus 30. And third predecessor is minus 13 minus 1, that is minus 14. Then minus 14, minus 13, minus 12 are the predecessor of minus 11. In this way, you know the successor and predecessor of given integers. Now, we have to see ascending order of given integer. The integers are 1, minus 3, 4, 0, minus 2, 18, minus 20 and 11. Ascending order means we have to write smallest number first, from smallest to largest is called as the ascending order. Its answer is ascending order. Which is the smallest number in that series? Minus 20 is the smallest. Then minus 3. Then minus 2. Then 0. Then 1. 4. 11 and 18. See, minus 20 is the smallest integer in that series and 18 is the biggest integer. So the ascending order is minus 20, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 4, 11 and 18. In this way, we have to solve from your exercise 1.1 question number 9. Now we have to write ascending order or descending order. Its descending order we have to also write. Descending order. Its descending order is descending order means from biggest to smallest. Which is the biggest number here? 18. Then 11. Then 4. Then 1. 0. Minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 20. Descending order is the reverse order of the ascending order. If you have to find out the ascending order, then you have to write its descending order. In this way, you have to solve question number 9 and 10 of exercise 1.1.